Hello, my name is Francesca. I'm a Qigong teacher. I'm making a series of videos about healing Qigong for you all to enjoy, and about the inner alchemy of the Tao that comes with Qigong, that works with the Qigong. This video is a video about the six healing sound, and this is the sound of the heart. To have information about this video, the videos that is connected with, and about how to contact me, and many others, how to get more videos. Here, please look at the description of the video under here. Okay? So the energy of the heart is connected also as an organ with the small intestine, as a tissue with the blood. And we go to work as the energy of fire and love and kindness. The energy of total expansion, the big yang. The sound is like the sound of hot air. You need to have listened to a fire in a forest or a high furnace to have heard that sound. And it's also the sound that we do when we want to warm up our hands. Okay? And we can do it in two ways. One is a there is the lower sound a, sustained sound, and or just this sound. We're going to do both. The movement, there are many, but one will be this one. We inhale, bring the energy to the heart, we exhale, stretching our hands, especially the side part here, from the back, in, out. See the movement of the spine? Okay. Meridian of the heart. Internal part of the pinky finger, all the way up here into the heart. Meridian of the small intestine, external part of the pinky finger, and on the back. Link also to where to see where the meridian go. Now, let's breathe deeply and start to feel our hearts. And with the breathing also our small intestines. Gently find a position that is comfortable for you. And the first time we do the sound, we invite our hearts to return inside, to be cool, to lower their energy. Their natural is to go out, and we invite them to be hugged by the rest of us. We lower our hearts. And we breathe in. Out any overheat or tension. Receive whatever it returns back, down to the solar plex and to the earth. Smiling to the heart, to the small intestine. A second time. Reinforcing our ability to love and to be calm and comfortable in it. breathe and return down. A third time, you smile to the energy of a fire that doesn't burn, a fire that loves and encompasses everything. Fire that wants to come and help. Love. You breathe in only the sound. We return here and we hold our hearts into our hands, pulsating, radiating their beautiful red light. Open, breathing the energy of fire of the universe, coming together. And you can listen, smile, which means to be open with a playful attention. And be listening, whatever it happens. If you have any problems with heart or small intestine, this is the moment to ask for healing, without saying what you want, but just healing. Don't picture, leave it open to possibility. And when you finish, you should stay longer on this. You go down into your dantian, bringing together the energy of heart and small intestine there, and massaging your dantian. Thank you.